Here's an early 2010s Goodman packaged heat pump running in cool mode. Working great right there. I have no clue where the data sheet is. Either it's back here or it just doesn't have one at all, generally. And right over here we have two older Goodmans that don't look like they work anymore, especially this one right here. This one has a Copeland scroll compressor. It's a heat pump. I can barely tell the reserve bursting off. I don't think this is connected whatsoever. This one has a slight damage into the top of the grill right there, but it's still running pretty strong. I mean, there's nothing really wrong with it. It doesn't look like it. And then right over here we have a brand new Ameristar unit. Really quiet. You see it's brand new. The golden lines are visible. Down this real quick. 2024, 3.5 ton. But yeah. Right over here on this side we have a Daikin. That's a 5 ton from 2020. This is a single phase unit right here. I thought it was a 3-phase because of the line set being pretty big. And there's the brine over there that I just filmed earlier. But yeah, gonna see you all in another clip.